Want to make the viral Easter basket shovel with a personalized label? I got you. I'm sharing a free Canva template and I'll walk you through editing, printing, and attaching it step by step.
Okay, so before we get started, here's what you're going to need. For the labels, I'm printing on party and confetti glossy vinyl sticker paper. But you can also use regular glossy paper and attach your label with double-sided tape. Next, you'll need a toy shovel from Dollar Tree. This is the size the labels are designed to fit. Then you'll need scissors, and of course, some goodies to fill your shovel basket with. To finish it off, I'm using an Easter-themed basket bag to cover the entire basket.
Step 1 is grabbing the free template from our website. Just click the link in the description, enter your name and email, and I'll send the download straight to your inbox. Then open the PDF and click the Canva link inside.
Once you click the Canva link in the PDF, Canva will open in your browser. Click Use Template to create your own editable copy. If you're not logged in, Canva will ask you to sign in first, and then the template will open. Now that the template is open in Canva, you can customize it in a couple of ways. You can upload your own background in clip art under Uploads, or you can use Canva's library to search for backgrounds, patterns, and elements. Once you find a background you like, drag and drop it into the frame.
And if you want a solid color instead, click on the frame, tap the color box at the top, and choose your color.
Quick tip. Once your background is in the frame, go ahead and lock the frame. If you drag another image on top before it's locked, Canva can replace your background and fill the frame with the new image. Locking it keeps your background in place. While you continue to add additional elements,
next, I'm just going to finish designing my label by adding some text. Then we're going to save it and we're going to print and we're going to assemble. So once I'm happy with my design, I'm going to save it. I'm going to go up to the Share tab and I'm going to be saving it as a PDF print. When you're ready to print, open the PDF and select your printer. I'm using the Epson ET8550. Under Page, Size, and Heading, make sure the actual size is selected. That's the same as printing at 100% so that the label prints at the correct size. Then open your printed settings. For media type, I select Photo Paper Glossy. For this printer, standard quality looks great, so I usually choose quality. And I'm going to be using the same settings for both the sticker paper and the glossy paper. Now that we have our label printed out, we can cut it out using some scissors and attach it to the shovel. One of my favorite things about this vinyl sticker paper is if you mess up like I did, you can easily peel the label off and reposition it.
if you're using regular glossy paper, add strips of double-sided tape to the back of the label, especially around the edges. Then line it up and press it down firmly. Once the label is on, it's time to fill the shovel. I flip it over, add a little Easter grass, and start layering in the goodies. The treat labels you're seeing here are from my Easter Basket Stuffers Printable Bundle, and I'll link it below. Next, I slide the shovel into a basket bag and tie it closed. A totally clear bag shows the label best. Mine has a little print on it, but it works.
And here's how it turned out. The label is on, it's filled with goodies, and it's all wrapped up and ready to give. If you want the free Canva shovel label template, click the link in the description to grab it. And if you make one, leave a comment and tell me what theme you're doing. I'd love to see it. Thanks so much for watching. If you found the video helpful, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when we post more videos. And see you next time. Bye.